friends. As you know, my name is Martina, and I am going to teach you to draw a muffin cake. Well, first, you need a pencil and this. First, you are going to do like this, the nose. And now we are going to do a line over here and crossing this to do the mouth. Now we are going with the eyes. The eyes we are going to do up here and over here, another circle. Now, and on the circle, I am going to do another circle inside, like this. I am going to color of black this, but this no. I am going to do on the, like when I color. Okay, now I am going to do the face. I am going to go up here like this. The thing, okay. And now I am going to do like this to the ears. And now the same with another side. And now down. Now I am going to do the front of the face. And now I'm going to do the tips. 1, 2, 3. And of the mustache of the kid. 1, 2. The same as the other side. 1, 2. Now we are going to do holding a plate with a recipe, okay? First, we are going to do the arms like there, yes, and stop there. You see. Now the same as the other side. Okay. Now I am going to do the plate. I am going to do this over here and over here. Now, and I'm going to do 2 ears and a circle. Okay, now I'm going to do 2 eyes and a mouth. You can't see, but there is. Now I am going to do the lines over here to the hair. It's so pretty, no? Now I am going to do the muffin stuff, okay? I don't know how you say. No, I am going to do this over here to here, and now the legs are 2 oval of the middle. Hey, we finished now. We can do some details, like, I don't know, like this, or this, or this. I don't know. You can choose. You have time. Now I am going to color. I am going to use blue. Yes, I like blue. I am going to use orange as well. I like orange. It's one of my favorite colors as well of the blue. And pink and purple. Pink. Purple. It's my favorite color. Now, we are going to start the color. Now, you can do this. Oh no, yellow. Two. From the recipe. Yellow, where are you? Here. You can start the color. Now we finish with this, and you are doing very good, and we are finished. Please subscribe to my channel, put a like, and if you like it, you can see another of my videos because I have a few. Bye!